Hey guys, so I'm really annoyed at the moment because I was just filming my video and my iPad decided to turn off. Right, so I have got a mixture ready to make my baby slime. And I lost all the other footage, by the way, so you guys probably have no idea what I'm talking about. This looks like icing and it's so cool. So, baby slime is basically where you add baby powder and baby oil into your slime. The same with Renew, bicarbonate of soda, Gillette foam, Gillette shaving foam and water and glitter. So I was in the middle of making it and my iPad decided to turn off. It keeps doing that, I do not know why. It needs to get fixed. My iPad is like broken at the moment, guys. Right, now what do I add? What have I added? Oh yeah, so now I'm going to add in 4 lots of baby oil, baby powder, and then just a couple of drops baby oil. And then I'm going to mix, and this will make it turn into a nice texture. Kind of like baby icing slime because it has texture of icing and it's so cool. So now I'm going to add in glitter. My hands are all greasy from the oil. And I'm going to add purple, pink and blue. Where's my dark purple? I'm going to add the rest of my dark purple first. Because there's not a lot of that left anyways. And then our pink. Oh, what's that? One second, guys. I'm going to go wash my hands. They're really greasy and stuff, so... Okay. Now blue and purple again. Blue. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Oh, guys, look at that. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So we're mixing it together. This looks so nice. Looks like I've added sprinkles into my icing. If this doesn't work, I'm going to be so bummed because it's a good slime. So now I'm going to add my activator, which I'm using is Renew. Come on, please work. Please work. Yes! It's working. It's working. Yes, it's working. Let's mix it all together. I am literally so excited to just put my hands in it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So now I'm going to knead it. Such a thick but cool texture, thick slime, because it's got so much shaving foam in it. Okay, so now the one that I made earlier, I'm going to mix in with it because it's like, it's a cool texture. And I just want to mix it in with this one. So this one was my normal one, but I had to add some shaving foam because otherwise it wouldn't let me, like, so yeah. Oh my god, this is like so much better. Woo! Okay, so now I'm going to put this one aside, and I'm going to make another one to put on top of that. I've got one here, but I'm going to leave that here. So I have this like a layer. I'm going to make another white one to put on top so that it's really cool. And just like... So I'm going to go wash this out. Back in a second. Okay. So I'm just drying it out now. The tea towel. Okay. So now I'm going to make one last slime for you guys, and if my camera dies again, I'm going to literally just scream like. Much. Okay, I'm going to add just a little bit of shaving foam into this one. Oh, there we go. Now, couple of drops of water. Ew. There you go. And I'm just literally rushing this because I don't care. And now I'm going to pour in some Activate. I'm literally just going for it. I don't care. Okay. As you can see, this slime is a really cool slime, and I want to keep this one, but I want more of it. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep that slime as that. I'm going to make more of this, because this is like so good. But I'm going to make it with a different, like in a different thing. Just going to make it. then I'm going to add this one. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button and the like button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!